Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unlock advanced customization for your Xbox gameplay with Cronus Zen. This powerful device acts as a sophisticated bridge, connecting your favorite controller to your console seamlessly. Many players use it to gain a new level of precision and control, particularly in competitive titles like NBA 2K25. It's designed to enhance your experience, offering features beyond standard controller capabilities. Get ready to dive into the specifics of setting it up for your game. First, you'll need to prepare your Zen device for action. Connect your Cronus Zen directly to your PC using the dedicated USB cable for the programming port. Once connected, open the Zen Studio software on your computer. This program is essential for managing your device and accessing all crucial updates. Always ensure your Cronus Zen has the absolute latest firmware installed, as this guarantees optimal performance and compatibility, especially with new games like NBA 2K25. This step is critical for a smooth experience. Once your Zen is updated, it's time to load your preferred game configurations. Navigate within Zen Studio to find the specific NBA 2K25 game pack or a custom script from the extensive online library. After selecting your desired configuration, simply drag and drop it onto one of the available memory slots on your Cronus Zen device. These expertly crafted game packs are specifically designed to optimize your gameplay experience in NBA 2K25. Giving you enhanced control and precision in crucial moments. It truly customizes your setup. With your scripts loaded, you are ready to physically connect to your console. First, use a short, high-quality USB cable to connect your Cronus Zen directly to one of your Xbox console's available USB ports. Next, take your preferred Xbox-compatible controller and plug it into the A3 USB port on the Cronus Zen device itself. Crucially, confirm that your controller is properly recognized by the Zen, which is usually indicated by specific display lights on the device. This ensures all connections are solid. Finally, it's time for some in-game fine-tuning and testing. Once everything is connected, you can access the Zen's dedicated in-game menu by pressing specific controller button combinations, usually something like LB and the menu button simultaneously. From this menu, you can adjust various script parameters, allowing you to fine-tune settings such as shot timing, dribble moves, or defensive assist within NBA 2K25. Remember to test your configurations thoroughly in practice modes or custom games to ensure everything performs exactly as you intend. Precision is key here.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.